Hi beautiful, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a will I buy it video because finally there are some new makeup releases coming out that I am interested in, some of them, and then some of them are like questionable, and I'm excited to talk to you guys about them. As you guys know, I don't cover everything in these videos. I just cover the things that pique my interest, and so that is why I can't do them every week, because not every week something piques my interest. But we do have a good list of products for this week, of products that are questionable or exciting that I want to talk to you guys about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. As per usual, if any of these are already available by the time this video is uploaded, I will have the products linked down below in the description box or tagged on the video. Let's go ahead and start. I'm scooting over this way so I can show you the products right here. And the first one I want to mention is this new one from NYX Cosmetics. It is called the Lip IV. This product is already available on the NYX Cosmetics website as well as Ulta, so it'll be linked down below, and it retails for $12. This one has 16 different shades, and the reason I put it in this video, the reason it intrigued me / excited me, is how juicy your lips look with this one. Plus it seems to have a really pigmented base to it. Take a look right here at these lip swatches. You get some really beautiful vibrant colors in this collection, and it's like a shiny glossy lipstick and a stain at the same time, so you'll have very long wear coverage. Now the stain, even in this promo picture, looks a little blotchy right here in the middle. I would probably just reapply my lipstick before it gets to looking like that, but a very long-lasting product nonetheless. You have nude products, you have browns, you have pinks and reds, and even a very dark berry shade in this collection, and they're promoting it as a hydrating wet shine plus lasting stain. Honestly, I'm excited about this formulation. It seems like a product that I would like because I'm into like juicy lips. Obviously, a long-lasting lipstick is always on my radar. So these are already available. If you guys are interested, I was definitely excited to see that release. My only con is the packaging. It looks cheap, but it's also an affordable makeup product, so it's fine. It's fine. Next, let's talk about the Armani Luminous Silk Aqua Highlighters. These are already available, so again, these will be linked down below, and they retail for $39 each. I am intrigued about these, and you guys know I'm like not super into highlighter. She said as she's wearing one today. Highlighter is just not as exciting to me as they used to be. With that said, I will be trying these because I believe, if I'm not mistaken, these were sent to me in PR. I need to double check my package downstairs, but I believe it was sent to me in PR. And what I do like about these highlighters is when I do go for highlighter these days, I prefer liquid highlighter formula, such as the Charlotte Tilbury one, for example, and maybe these, if they live up to what I'm looking at in pictures, because liquid highlighters tend to just be more natural looking and not enhance your texture, and texture enhancing highlighters is definitely what I am against. The packaging is very Armani like. It's similar packaging or the same packaging as the blushes, which by the way, I love the blushes. So I'm excited to try these, and they do have 5 different colors of it. So long story short, you will be seeing me try these on my channel very soon. Another thing you will be seeing me try here on my channel very soon is this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Nomad Cosmetics. I want to do a video trying a whole bunch of new product releases soon, and this palette is definitely going to be in that video. It is right here next to me as we speak, so you will be seeing me review this one very soon. This product is already available on the Nomad Cosmetics website, and Nomad Cosmetics makes very beautiful formulas for both shimmers and powders, so I'm definitely very excited to try this one. It seems that the theme for this year's holiday palettes are icy blue colors and reds, because I cannot escape them in every palette, which is honestly a little unfortunate for me because I tend not to love blue eyeshadow, even though I'm wearing some today. I tend not to love blue eyeshadow or red eyeshadow, but there are other colors in here that are equally beautiful and a little bit more up my alley, so I'm still excited to try it. And of course they have this super fun stamping for the eyeshadows, and the outside packaging looks very beautiful. Again, you'll be seeing me try this one very, very soon. Another product that caught my eye very recently that I wanted to mention is this Viseart palette. It's called Serenus Attendu. I don't know French, I'm so sorry. I know that I have French subscribers too because you guys comment often. And so every time I butcher a French word, I'm so sorry. Anyways, so that's the name of this one. And this color story is, I know it's kind of basic and boring, but I find it to be so beautiful. The beautiful dark teal color in this palette is such a beautiful pop for the holiday season. It kind of reminds me a little bit of one of my favorite Natasha Denona palettes ever, which is the Natasha Denona Gold palette. Just a bunch of neutrals with some golds and a couple pops of teal. This palette is still like one of my #1 palettes in my Natasha Denona collection, and even though it's a little different, this Viseart palette gives me gold palette from Natasha Denona vibes, if you know what I mean. And so I simply find it to be absolutely stunning. Will I buy it? This one retails for $44, and you know that their shades are little, so it would actually also be a good alternative since the gold palette is discontinued and over $100. But will I buy it? I don't think I will buy it personally, to be honest with you. It's really beautiful, but if I'm going to be honest with myself, I do have a lot of shades like the ones in this palette already, and I don't think I'm going to be doing a dedicated video of it. I don't know that there'll be enough interest for it, so I don't think I'll be buying it, but I am very, very tempted. The swatches look so pretty. I do wish that at least one of the shimmer shades had a bit more of a ethereal vibe to them. All of the shimmer shades have a very strong undertone. That would be my only complaint. It looks so pretty. It is such a pretty palette. Viseart doesn't often tempt me, and I am very, very tempted with this one. Will I buy it? I don't think so, but I am still thinking about it, so we'll see. I wanted to talk about this one next because SKKN Beauty has a holiday collection. And when I looked at this picture, I was like, didn't you already launch that? It looks the same. The entire line looks the same. This looks like if you told me this was her first release, her first launch, whenever she relaunched her makeup brand a few months ago, I would not have argued with you about it because it looks exactly the same as what she launched at first and what she launched when her brand was called something else. Honestly, I don't think that there's a more boring makeup brand out there than Kim Kardashian's. And I know her makeup's always very natural, very demure, very kind of like on the boring side with lots of lashes. She doesn't really do like colorful makeup or anything like that. That's just her aesthetic, and I get it, and I know that majority of people go for the natural looks, honestly including myself in a lot of occasions. But I don't know what it is about her makeup brand that makes it so boring. Like every single lip gloss color in there is boring. Hold on, I have more words in my vocabulary, but I just cannot think about them when I'm staring at this. Dull, monotonous, uninspiring, stale, lifeless, drab, tiresome, mundane, bland, uninteresting, wearisome, redundant, predictable, overused, habitual, routinary, monotone, tedious. It honestly is so boring. Will I buy this? I will not be purchasing anything from SKKN Beauty until something interesting comes along, because I haven't yet to find an interesting product from this brand. Next, we have a new collection from Nomad Cosmetics. If I am not mistaken, this already launched. Oh my god. Okay, so this collection did already launch, and they're already announcing on their website. I'm glad I looked it up. If you're interested, It'll be 50% off on Black Friday. It says shop Black Friday deals now on e.l.f. Cosmetics. The Monsters collection is half off. And I guess this collection is also on sale. Honestly, if you're interested, check out the e.l.f. Cosmetics website because it seems like they're already having some sales on this collection specifically. Anyways, this collection has an eyeshadow palette. Here's what it looks like with some reds. So fun. Some fun looking lipsticks. There is a blush in there, and then there's also this clutch, which honestly looks really edgy. I like the look of a lot of things that e.l.f. Cosmetics releases. My issue is, honestly, every time I try their formulas, it ends up not working for me for the oddest reasons. It's always, this is my experience, but I find e.l.f. Cosmetics always is too pigmented, which makes it hard to blend out. And then once you blend out the products, because I don't really have an issue with products being too pigmented if they blend out nicely, but once you blend them out, they always turn blotchy. Like they don't blend out evenly, and you end up with different intensities of spots in your face or eyes. So will I be buying this collection? I will not be buying this collection. It seems like a fun release though, but honestly my personal experience with e.l.f. Cosmetics has never been the best, and so it would take something that was very, very attractive to me to reel me back into trying their products, and this isn't it. This isn't it. It looks fun, it looks exciting, but I'll skip. Next, Bobbi Brown has a very odd collab, I will say, and it is a Bobbi Brown PacMan collaboration. This picture here looks beautiful, I will say, and it shows you pretty much everything you can get in this collection. There's more lipstick shades and more lip balm shades, but this is everything from the collection. Everything looks luxuriously packaged. I will say the eyeshadow palette doesn't look up my alley. It is nice and neutral with a pop of blue. I will be reviewing this collection very, very soon. It'll probably be the next video you see after this one. I am wearing a lot of the products right now, and I will of course give you my honest opinion about everything you see in this picture and whether or not these products are worth it. The packaging is definitely a lot of fun, even for me, who is not the biggest PacMan fan. I mean, I've played it, but it's kind of whatever. It's like a nostalgia thing. It's an odd collaboration in my opinion, a luxury high-end makeup brand that usually keeps it pretty neutral, natural looking, with a colorful video game from like the early 90s. Maybe 80s, I don't know. It's an odd collaboration, but they did send me a PR package with it, and so I figured it would be worth reviewing for you, so I did, and you will see that video next. The next product is from Glow Recipe, and it is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Hue Drops. I have questions about this one. Like, what does it look like on the skin, and how is it different from the products they've already had out for a while? The regular niacinamide watermelon stuff that they've had out forever, right? Those are my main questions about it, and I will not have to buy this one because I thankfully am on Glow Recipe's PR list, so they'll probably send this to me and I can try it and compare it for you and see whether this is better than what they've already been giving us for the past few years. I just want to see what it looks like on the skin, I guess, and then we'll determine. Because in this before and after picture, it shows you a glowier, more hydrated looking complexion after you apply the product. But I feel like the product they've had for a while kind of does very similar things, so I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about this one. This next one I actually want to try, and I'm not the biggest fan of faux freckles because I can never make them look cute on me, but this Tarte stamp that is coming soon looks so promising, and like you can actually make freckles easily because you don't have to go dot by dot. You have like 4 to 5 dots at a time that you can create. And from the look of these pictures, it actually looks like they're very natural looking dots. This is already available, by the way, and it retails for $26. It comes in 4 different shades. And will I buy this? Yes, I will. I will actually buy this and try it and see if I like it. Maybe I'll start wearing freckles every once in a while because they look fun and like they're going to be easy to make. I might give one to my niece for Christmas as well because she's always putting freckle filters on herself. So I feel like she would like it. This looks fun. I'm excited. I want to try it. So you will be seeing me try this product soon. One of the products I am most excited about is this right here from YSL, the new YSL powder blushes, because they remind me a lot of the Gucci blushes, packaging included, and the Gucci blushes are my absolute most favorite blushes in my collection. I just want to put these side by side to those and see like how they can compare. The colors look beautiful and natural looking, and I absolutely love their packaging as well. This still says coming soon to their website and retailers. We don't have a specific date yet. I looked them up online and they're still not available, but it says it gives a healthy glow to the cheeks while blurring the skin and covering with a soft veil. It has a silky texture. The packaging design leather is matching each side with gold, and they're going to release them in 7 different shades. YSL has always had really fantastic formulas, and so I'm excited to try these blushes, and I have a feeling I'm going to like them. Sometimes, most times that feeling is accurate, and so I feel like I'm really going to enjoy these once they come out. The last product I want to talk about in today's video is this right here from e.l.f. Cosmetics. We are ending this video on a very affordable note. e.l.f. Cosmetics is coming out with a new brow pen. I have had a favorite brow pen for like 3 to 4 years now, and nothing I have tried has dethroned my favorite brow pen, which is the one from NYX Cosmetics. But looking at the before and after pictures of the brows you can create with this e.l.f. Cosmetics brow pen has me wondering whether this pen can actually become a favorite of mine, because the before and after pictures and the swatches look incredible. This is already available. If it's at Ulta or Target by my house, I'm going to be buying this very, very soon. It is called the Holy Stroke Microfine Brow Pen from e.l.f. Cosmetics. Ultra fine liquid pen with light buildable pigment, perfect for creating thin hair-like strokes for natural looking brow for a natural looking brow for a natural looking brow look that lasts. And this is going to retail for $7. So I'm very, very excited about this one and about trying it. And that is it. Those are all of the new products that have recently launched or are launching soon that I am interested in and I wanted to discuss with you. Let me know your thoughts on them down in the comment section below. If you guys like today's video, give it a thumbs up before you leave. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to go feed my little one now, who, as you can see, is very in the Christmas spirit. She's been for the past week or so. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you back in the next video. Bye!